In this video, we're talking about the American Express Green Card. Now, when people typically think of American Express, they think of the quintessential Platinum card or even the Gold card. And American Express, they do have a wide variety of co-branded credit cards like the ones that they have with Hilton or Delta. Now, the card that a lot of people don't talk about is the American Express Green Card. So in this video, we're gonna go over all the benefits of the American Express Green Card and why we think this card might be the most underrated credit card that American Express offers. Now, the American Express Green Card, it is another charge card, just like the Platinum card and the Gold card. However, this one has a $150 annual fee instead of $250 or $700 like the others. And the first thing that we're going to talk about is sign-up bonus. Now, this card currently does have 45,000 member reward sign-up bonus after you spend $2,000 in the first 6 months. Now, that's extremely easy to do. That's less than $335 a month. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is how you actually earn points. Now, this card, you're going to actually earn 3 times points at restaurants. You're going to earn 3 times points on travel, and you're also going to earn 3 times points on transit. And then you're going to be able to earn 1 times points on all other transactions. Now, just to be clear, when it comes to travel and transit, there isn't really a loophole like some of the other cards where you have to book your travel directly through American Express's portal or through the airline company. Essentially anything for this card, as long as it codes as travel, then you're going to be able to get the 3 times points. And transit is going to cover things like buses, trains, subways, things like that. The next thing we're going to talk about is travel benefits. Now, with this card, you're going to receive a $100 statement credit for Clear every single calendar year. So that's going to cover a little more than half of your actual membership to Clear. So this would be beneficial if somebody's not doing an extensive amount of travel, where they would see a benefit in going to one of the higher travel credit cards like the Platinum card, the entire credit for Clear, or if you already have one of those cards and you're trying to get the additional credit for your partner. You also would receive a $100 credit for Lounge Buddy. Now, this would allow you to purchase lounge access through this network. So if one of your cards doesn't give you access to a specific lounge, then you would be able to use this to be able to get access into that specific lounge. And obviously you would receive some other benefits like trip delay insurance, baggage insurance, car rental insurance. Now, you're not going to get an extensive amount of travel benefits with this card. However, for a card that does have a $150 annual fee, seeing that you have a total of $200 of credits that you're able to get every single year, the card essentially would pay for itself. Now, we're going to talk about why we think this card might be one of the most underrated cards that American Express has. So one of the reasons why is it has a great sign-up bonus. 45,000 points doesn't seem like a whole lot, but when you actually break it down, you're getting 22.5 points for every single dollar that you're spending for that sign-up bonus. The American Express Gold card, you're getting 75,000 points when you spend $4,000, so that's 18.74 points per dollar. And then the Platinum card right now has a $100,000 sign-up bonus when you spend $6,000, so that's 16.67 points per dollar. So if you're trying to maximize the amount of points that you're getting for the dollars that you're spending in that sign-up bonus, the Green card is going to be the absolute best value, giving you 22.5 points for every single dollar that you're spending. Another reason why this card is great is it has a competitive point multiplier. So you're going to get 3 times points on all travel. The Platinum card has 5 times points on travel, but it has to be booked directly through American Express portal or directly through the airlines. And the Gold card has 3 times points on flights when it's booked directly through the airline or through the Amex travel portal. Now, where this card might be lacking a little bit when it comes to multipliers is the Gold card does have 4 times points on restaurants, where the Green card only has 3 times points, but the Gold card does have a $100 higher annual fee. And really, to offset that $100 additional annual fee, you'd have to spend $10,000 on restaurants in order for that to kind of break even. Another reason why this card is such a great option is the free authorized user. Now, having an authorized user with an American Express card is really beneficial if you actually want to do 2-player mode. If you want to be able to pool your points together with your significant other, with American Express, you're going to need to have an authorized user on one of your cards. It's not like Chase where you can just transfer your points over from one Chase account to another. Only way you'd be able to pool your points together is by transferring them to a different transfer partner. So an example of this is if both you and your spouse are trying to book a flight using British Airways and you both have an American Express account or an account that you're able to transfer points over to British Airways, if they're an authorized user, you could transfer your points over to their British Airways account, and they would be able to also transfer their points over to a British Airways account. And that's the only way that you would be able to pull your points together, is by utilizing the transfer partners. Now, who's this card for? First year, obviously it's a no-brainer for anybody. You're gonna be able to get 45,000 member reward points for your sign-up bonus, which can be anywhere from a point to 2 points depending on how you're utilizing those points. So that could be all the way up to $900 in value with that sign-up bonus. And also you're gonna be able to get up to $200 in travel credits. Now the second year on, that's where you're really gonna have to determine how you're gonna utilize this card. If you do a lot of spending with travel, with restaurants, with transit, and then you're utilizing those $200 travel credits for Clear and for Lounge Buddy, then this card does make a lot of sense. But if a lot of your spending isn't at restaurants and you don't utilize the full $200 in value towards those travel credits, this is a card that you might not want to keep. But let me know what you think about this card down in the comments below. If you want to know more about American Express cards, check out this video here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.